In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure on Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to verify the width of a doorway on a floor plan, check spacing in a layout, or quickly confirm distances inside a PDF, this will show you the simplest way to do it using Acrobat's built-in tools. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop application so you get the full set of tools and the most accurate results. If you're currently viewing a PDF in your web browser or another viewer, download the file and open it directly in Acrobat to follow along. Next, choose the document you want to work with. You can go to File and Open, or just drag and drop your PDF into the Acrobat window. Once it's open, navigate to the area where you plan to measure. It helps to zoom in before you begin so you can place your points precisely on corners, edges, or key reference marks. Now look to the left-hand side of your screen. From the left menu, click the Measurement tool. It appears as a small ruler icon in most workspaces. If your layout looks a little different and you don't immediately see it, check the Tools panel and locate Measure there. When you activate the tool, your cursor will change and a small readout will appear to guide you. With the tool active, move your cursor to your starting point and click once. Then, glide to your ending point and click again. Acrobat will draw a line between those points and display the distance, often along with an angle, right on the page. If you need to reposition, simply undo or press Escape to cancel the current line and try again. For the best accuracy, zoom in close and make sure your clicks land exactly where you want them. Acrobat automatically uses the document's units, so you'll see measurements in whatever the PDF is set to, commonly inches, feet, millimeters, or centimeters. On technical drawings and plans, that usually means you'll get meaningful real-world values. On simpler graphics, you'll still get consistent, repeatable distances across the page. Keep measuring as needed. You can place multiple measurements in one session. When you're finished, switch back to your usual tool to continue reviewing or editing your PDF. And that's it. You've opened Adobe Acrobat, made sure you're using the application itself, selected your document, and clicked the Measurement tool from the left menu to start measuring. With these basics, you can quickly verify dimensions, spot check distances, and work more confidently inside any PDF.